Chugga 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 choo choo. Oh, hey there. Wait, didn't I kill you in the last episode?
Oh no, that was my brother. Yeah, I hated him so. Hey, what did you want?
Oh, I need you to build me a house out of cardboard.
Why cardboard? Wouldn't that be a bad idea?
No, it has to be out of cardboard.
But why?
Just do as I say or I'll murder you.
Okay, it's all done.
It's beautiful. This is where I will take over the world.
You mean take over the world?
This isn't gonna work. Ah, it's beautiful. It's so big and spacious. It's beautiful. And over there will be my torture chamber. Now I need to go recruit some minions. What happened? That's right, I got sprayed with ocean breeze. My only weakness. Huh. Well, now what? Well, I guess I gotta go find Thomas now. Well, what if he has more ocean breeze? Oh well, it'll probably be okay. This open door that leads down to these creepy steps. Yeah, I bet he's down here. Okay, so obviously you're a big scary dragon, but what kind of skills do you have? You're hired. Okay, you see that big tower up there? Okay, great. You're gonna stand on top of it. When you see Luigi come by, you're gonna fly down and spray him with ocean breeze, okay? Okay, great. Okay, so what's the plan? Well, so far, he has ocean breeze. I know that. It's my one weakness, so if I get hit with that, it's all over. But, I mean, he's gotta have a weakness too, right? What would a train's weakness be? Well, maybe we'll just wing it. Yeah, what could possibly go wrong with that plan? Oh no, a dragon! What's that? Ocean breeze! Ah! Oh man. Oh my gosh, I barely made it out alive. You know, we're gonna have to take this to the internet. We're gonna have to look up Thomas the Tank Engine's one weakness. What is Thomas the Tank Engine's one weakness? Enter. Of course. That game's sucky enough to kill anyone. I can even kill the dragon, too. Well, it's time to go get my copy of Paper Mario Sticker Star. Okay, all of you at home, don't try this at home. Unless you're wearing gloves. But even then, you want adult supervision, okay? See, very carefully pick up the game. Because if you don't, you could get cancer. Because this game sucks so bad. Well, time to go get Thomas. Okay, so if I put the game in my pocket, just for convenience. Oh, the ocean breeze is still in the air. The dragon is still there. Huh. Well, what am I gonna do? If I just run. It's pretty risky, though. I could die. The ocean breeze is still in the air. You know, I'll just get back out of my pocket. I'm just gonna make a run for it. Hey, Mr. Dragon, I got a surprise for you. I made it. All right. That must be his castle. Let's go. Alright, Bowser? Oh, hey, Luigi, how's it going there? Yeah, that Thomas dude, he hired me to be a guard or something like that. Oh yeah, I was supposed to kill you, that's right, but, you know, I kind of feel bad for you. I mean, you only have, like, a few of your own games, and you're always in Mario's shadow, so I'm just gonna walk away now. Huh. Oh, wow. Okay, there's this big, long, dark hallway here. We're going in. Oh, wow. It's dark. It's pretty dark in here. Huh, I guess there's nothing in here. Well, that was kind of weird. Okay, we're back in this main area now. Oh, it's a kitty. Okay, here we go. We got it. Alrighty, well, that's one or two bosses down, I guess. Okay. Let's see. Well, it's really only... I can go either over that way, or I can go this way. I think we should go this way. Oh, hey, this must have been his torture chamber. Oh, that's Pikachu's dead body. Well, we can't shut that on YouTube. Hurry, get the camera away, get the camera away! Oh, hello there, Luigi. I have, some ocean breeze here. I just need to freshen up the room. Huh, that was easier than I expected. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Yeah, bye.